Welcome back, traders and investors, to the beginner's guide to learning how to trade options on Barchart.com. Whether you're new to options or looking to sharpen your skills, Barchart has everything you need to master options trading. From in-depth educational resources to powerful screening tools, we'll show you exactly where to find everything you need to learn and trade options successfully. In today's video, we'll cover how to access Barchart's Options Learning Center, explore options data, and use advanced screeners to find high probability trades. Plus, we'll show you how to get free alerts on major options activity delivered straight to your inbox. So let's dive in. Before we get started, let's take a look at Barchart's disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. The first place to start when learning options on Barchart is the Learn tab. This is your gateway to comprehensive trading education, including articles, strategy guides, and webinars. But if you're specifically looking for options trading resources, there's an entire section dedicated to it. Next, let's head over to the Options tab. This is where you'll find a suite of tools designed for trading and researching options. But if you're here to learn, the Options Learning Center is the best place to start. Inside, you'll find step-by-step guides, definitions, and educational videos covering everything from basic call and put options to advanced strategies like spreads, iron condors, and straddles. Each lesson includes written guides and trade examples, making it easy to follow along. Plus, these lessons even include a video explanation for visual learners. So for deeper dives, Barchart links these to their YouTube options trading videos. Now, Barchart has a full YouTube with playlists dedicated to options trading. So you'll be able to find these step-by-step tutorials, trade breakdowns, and expert insights to help you understand the options markets. And when you're back in the Options Learning Center, you can also stream these videos directly on the page to follow along with the text. Now, let's explore more options data under the Options tab. Here is where you'll find all the powerful tools and market insights to help you analyze opportunities like options flow and unusual options activity. Here, you can see where big money is flowing in the options market from stocks, ETFs, and indices. Unusual options activity helps traders spot large, unusual trades that could indicate smart money positioning. Another tool for options traders is volatility. IV rank and IV percentile analyze implied volatility to gauge market expectations. IV rank tells traders if an asset's implied volatility is high or low relative to its past levels, which helps option traders with their timing for stocks, ETFs, and indices. To access additional tools, we can go back to the Options tab or use the sidebar menu to find another indicator for options traders, which is volume. The most active options list tracks high volume contracts daily. This page lists the option contracts with the highest trading volume, helping traders track where market interest is concentrated for stocks, ETFs, and indices. Now, what if you're looking for something specific? Barchart also provides powerful option screeners to help you identify trading opportunities based on different strategies. Whether you're looking for covered calls, credit spreads, or iron condors, these screeners make it easy to find high probability setups quickly. Let's take a look at the bull call spread screener. This screener helps traders quickly identify bull call debit spreads with optimal risk reward ratios by showing details like max profit potential and break-even price. If you want to learn more about this particular strategy, you can click here to watch a full webinar or also click the Learn More button. Here is where you can access more educational content explaining how to use this strategy effectively in the Options Learning Center. Once you've learned the basics, you can apply your knowledge by analyzing symbol-specific options data for any stock. You can access this by clicking on any stock's page or typing in the symbol in the search bar. Once you're there, you'll find a full section of the menu on options data to get a complete breakdown of available contracts. When checking options prices, you can also customize your view. Change expiration dates to view different contract periods. change the amount of strike prices shown in or out of the money. You can also change the layout, switch between stacked versus side-by-side views for better visibility that fits your preference. And also, use the volume graph to analyze open interest and trading volume. Now, if you want to see where the big money is flowing, we suggest using some of the tools like unusual options activity. This tool highlights contracts with higher than normal volume, helping traders spot potential big moves in the market. The next page is expected move. This page is a metric that helps traders anticipate how much a stock is likely to move within a given period of time, based on implied volatility and option pricing. These projections are derived from options market pricing, giving traders insight into potential price swings before any key events like earnings reports or major economic data. Next is gamma exposure. Gamma exposure helps traders understand how market makers and institutions hedge their positions, which can influence price movements. Traders use gamma exposure data to anticipate potential squeezes, sharp reversals, or trend continuation moves, especially during options expirations or key macro events. Now, the options flow data is a page that helps track large, unusual options trades based on institutions and smart money. This gives us a lot of insight into potential market moves before they happen. You can check things like buy versus sell sentiment, which identifies if traders are opening new positions, bullish or bearish, or closing existing ones. You can also check the premium size to see how much capital is flowing into specific contracts, and higher premiums mean bigger bets. Plus, get the trade details and codes that'll let you know if it's sweeps versus block trades to understand if traders are aggressively buying or selling or executing prearranged block trades. If you're looking for even more advanced insights, Barchart has an entire library of archived webinars that go in depth on trading and investing strategies. Just select options from the topic, and you can check out past webinars from trading experts where they share powerful option strategies and market insights. If you want to stay updated on the biggest options trades, you can sign up for Barchart's free Unusual Options Activity newsletter. Once subscribed, you'll receive updates on large trades, institutional activity, and other key signals across options markets, helping you stay ahead of the market. And remember, if you ever need help, just head to the Learn tab for access to all of Barchart's educational resources, courses, and tutorials designed to take your options trading to the next level. And that's how you can learn how to trade options right on Barchart.com. So whether you're just starting out or refining your strategy, Barchart has everything you need to master options trading, from beginner-friendly lessons to advanced strategy breakdowns, plus options market data and powerful screeners. It's all designed to help you trade with confidence. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and trading tools on Barchart.com.